What's up, YouTube? This is Antoine with Chump Change Production. Just wanted to do a quick video tonight on the market. Quick little recap. As you guys know, I was saying last week that we was just going through a fake pump, that Bitcoin was going to go back down. And as you can see, Bitcoin has gone back down. Um, I'm watching Vote. I got a position, pretty small position in Vote. I've almost tripled my money in about a week's time. But Bitcoin's at 19.6. um, Ethereum's a real good buying opportunity too. I don't know why my browser won't scroll down, but Ethereum is $1,067. So for one Ethereum, I'm about to go ahead and put some more money into Ethereum. Start buying it. I'm about to get really focused on Ethereum. Um, I'm gonna stack as much as I can. Pray to the sovereign Lord Yahweh that the price come down to $200-300 per token. Because as you know, I'm looking for a bloody bear market. I'm looking for blood everywhere. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see I'm trying to see carnage out here. You know what I'm saying? I want fear everywhere. I want the market makers to shake up the whole market, and I want tokens at a greatly discounted price. Because this is nothing but 2018 all over again. But 2025, Bitcoin is going to get between 150K to 300K, Lord willing. Ethereum will be 15 to 25, 35K. So that's why I'm going to stack up on Ethereum. It'll be the cheapest altcoin to buy besides that's in the top two. And it's been around for years. So that's what I'm going to focus on this go around is I'm going to stack up a little bit on some meme tokens, a few. Wait for Dogecoin to get below 1 cent. Then I'm gonna buy 100,000 or 200,000 shares worth. I'm hoping I can get 100 to 200K for about $800. I don't know if it'll drop that low, but that's like, for those that don't know, that's like 0.204. Um, is that? Let me see. Let me see here. Make sure I'm right. 0.004. Yeah, 100,000. Yeah, that's 0.004. Two zeros for 0.204 for 100,000. So I can get 200,000 for $800. So that's the goal I'm shooting for with Dogecoin. I don't know if it's gonna come to pass or not, but I'm hoping for it. So, uh, I just wanted to touch base. I've been making weekly videos, and I wanted to keep it up and just touch base with you guys. Let you guys know to hang in there. Don't get terrified out your mind because you're losing a value in your Bitcoin and altcoins. It's just a natural cycle. This happens every 4 years. We have after a huge rally and Bitcoin breaks its former all-time high. That's when the bear market comes in and everything starts going down 75, 95%. You know, from its former high, all-time high. But if you're smart, you're gonna be buying at these times, accumulating. And again, so just so you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you guys my journey with crypto, what I'm doing. So everything I'm saying is for educational purposes. It's not financial advice. So um, that's just what I'm doing. I'm gonna amass a ton of Ethereum, and I'm gonna let hopefully Shoe gets down to $1 for 0.501, where I can get 1 million shares for $1. I'd buy about maybe 2-3 billion. But I'm gonna focus on vote too. I'm gonna try to get 1 billion a vote. Uh, while the price is still low, I'm hoping to come back down to 58. But that just depends on how low Bitcoin goes. But I don't know. Vote, the army behind Vote is interesting. I mean, I've been in the chat looking at those guys from a couple times a day, from time to time throughout the day, and the market cap is so low, so anything can happen with that. That's the sweet thing about tokens like that. Like I just got to put in a position in Bandex. I'm gonna put a position in BTFA as well. But Bandex is a pretty cool token. It's only got 1 trillion shares in total supply. So that should be able to get to like 0.2012, something like that. Maybe 3. If they burn a lot, it might get to a cent. I mean, because they burn half the supply, it'd be 500 billion. So that can get to about 0.208, 0.209 or point 1 cent, maybe 2 cents. You got 100 million, you get to 2 cents, that's $2 million. I mean, you can get 100 million. You could have got 100 million for like 25 bucks a couple days ago, but now it's like 30 some dollars, 40 bucks, something like that. Because they didn't have a pump, but the market cap's less than 2 million. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. You guys not there what I'm talking about, so I'm not just rambling. But this token, Bandex, Banana Index, is a pretty serious thing. And another token I put a position in is MetaHero. You guys can check out MetaHero. I put these tokens in the title, so you guys can look into them yourselves and see if you want to put a position in it. But MetaHero, that token got a serious team behind it. And another thing you guys might want to be might want to make a mental note of is to take and start moving your money out the exchanges and putting them on like a cold wallet or MetaMask or Coinbase offline wallet, something. These exchanges, it's crazy. I did a video not too long ago about an exchange closing down, and the Coinbase was in support of the nonsense. So, these are troublesome times. The bear market shakes out all the zombie companies. The fraudulent companies, the fraudulent players out there, they get shaken out because they can't keep the Ponzi going. They've run out of new money. That's what happens. They run out of new money and they can't fund the operation no more because they're not getting hordes of new investors. So just be smart out here, guys. And I'm about to take out tonight, so please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll get to you guys in the comments as soon as I have a chance. And when I see the comments, I'll respond to you guys like I normally do. And welcome all the new subscribers. And I hope you guys find content that you like and you can share with your friends. And don't forget about my blog, you guys. Check out my blog as well. And if you're looking to make some passive money off stable coins and Bitcoin and Ethereum, various other altcoins, check out Midas Investment. I got my referral link in the description. I also make a little commission off you guys trading on there. But they've been in business over 5 years, and they've been paying on time for the last 5 years and some change. Real stable company. They came out in 2018 during the bear market of 2018, so they know what it takes to, stand the test of time during these troublesome times. You know. So that's about all I got for you guys. You guys have a good night, good morning, wherever you are. Peace.